So guys, this is Brick Your Dreams channel. It is a great channel for if you're a Lego fan and like you're a great Power Functions fan. He motorizes a lot of cars and he has a lot of videos. He's a great YouTuber that helped me get this motorization to work. And let's get into his tutorial. The thing about this tutorial is that you only need one brick, which can cost you $1 basically. And if you already have the power functions, then it's basically $1 motorization. But if you don't, the motors could cost you up to $80. Might sound like a lot, but compared to the other methods, it's very cheap. So please check Brick Your Dream out. He's a great YouTuber.